Void is a DIY house venue with a secret location outside of the University of Maryland in College Park. We keep the location secret so that the shows don't get too out of hand to avoid the police harassing us.
My name is Rainor Dale. I graduated this past year, 2019, from UMD, and I've lived at the Void for over a year now, and I help organize things, set up shows, book bands, kind of all of it. I followed their Facebook page and I saw that they had placed an ad for someone to come move into a spare room, and I was like, yeah, I'd live at the Void. Thankfully, we have a lot of bands that want to play here, so it's never hard to find bands to play. And we have people that we like and like bands that we know, and we're like, yeah, you should definitely come play because you guys are cool. Supposedly, I don't know how true this is, but supposedly this house has been a music house since like the 70s, which is pretty cool. But it's only been branded The Void since like 2013, 2014, something like that. The Void has been around a long time. It's hopefully going to stick around a long time because the live music scene here is pretty cool.
I heard about the Void probably my freshman year, and so yeah, I've been coming like periodically ever since. I'm always exposed to different music every time I come here. There's always a different style or genre, and it's always really good. I always meet really cool, nice people, and just it seems like a nice little community to be a part of.
What's up? I'm Bryce Watson. I book shows at the Void sometimes. We play shows at the Void and help with operations at the shows. I've been playing in Bruce Take Nap. Actually, in both the bands I play in, I've been playing in both of them for longer than I've been at the Void. It's more about keeping the community like vibe together, more than like being like, oh, we're the underground, like we're the cool kids. We're just trying to like build up something special. It doesn't have to be underground always, you know.
Thank y'all, we're Bruce Take Nap. This is Corey on lead guitar, Liam on drums, Brody on bass, Zach on sax.